Achieving such a massive improvement required upgrades in several areas of the car. Lamborghini R&D boss Maurizio Reggiani calls this a 360-degree approach to performance. For the Performante, this means more power but also weight reduction, suspension improvements, and the addition of an innovative aerodynamic package. The extra power was enabled by fitting new titanium intake valves. Their lighter weight made possible a hotter intake-camshaft profile with greater duration and lift. Coupled with a freer-flowing exhaust system and a less restrictive air filter, the Performante engine makes 29 more ponies for a total of 631 at 8,000 RPMs, 250 revs lower than the standard Huracan's power peak. Peak torque increases by 30 pounds-ft to 443 at an unchanged 6,500 RPM. The changes make for a usefully fuller power curve above 4,000 RPMs. A weight reduction of about 90 pounds makes this stronger engine's life even easier. The kilos and grams were shaved by fitting more carbon fiber parts on the Performante. These use Lamborghini's patented forged composite technology, which uses inner and outer molds under pressure to create more complex and less expensive parts than traditional laminate construction. In place of the intricate woven fabric pattern of the traditional carbon fiber parts, these instead resemble a black and gray version of tortoiseshell but still look terrific in their own way. There's also a redesigned stainless steel exhaust system that uses simpler plumbing and a central outlet to save 22 pounds alone. Keep in mind that 90 pounds is the net reduction after the weight added by the new aerodynamic package. Reinforcing the chassis to match the additional thrust, the power-to-weight ratio is 7% better. The Performante gets 10% stiffer spring rates and thicker anti-roll bars to produce a 15% increase in roll stiffness. Recalibrated, optional, magnetorheological dampers match these stiffer components, as do suspension bushings that are 50% stiffer both axially and radially.